Before we get into the video, just wanted to let you guys know I do have new merchandise. The Bullet WS6 hats. These are flex fit hats, both in curved and flat bill. So if you want one, all you got to do is just send me a message on Instagram or Facebook and I'll get you what you need. I also still have some shirts available. But yeah, just hit me up if you want one. Thank you for the support and hope you like the video. Previously on the Bullet WS6. I'm not gonna lie, last night's trip was ridiculous. We're gonna go get some breakfast and hunt for some ice and get ready, because hopefully we can make, I think, at least one test pass before we get into elimination, so we can see where the car's at, and we'll go from there. Let's go get it. Battle to us, Kevin Henry. He came with us, and we're gonna hold it down for Texas today. So let's go. We're gonna ride around in the pits and see who came. Check out the competition a little bit and go from there. Same thing as last time. Kevin's actually gonna do some roll racing, so we're just gonna be watching him hanging out, waiting for the drag racing to start, and then we'll start putting the beans to it. So hopefully we can get a test pass in before we actually go into eliminations. From previous events, that hasn't been the case. Usually it's just straight to eliminations, but hopefully we can do that today. Let's go get it. The YouTube videos definitely don't do the color justice because it looks a lot better in person, for sure. And the blue goes so well with it, you know? Is this a test pass? Are you doing eliminations or what?
Test pass. Test pass? Fine, yeah.
Nice. Go get it, man.
Thank you.
So yeah, I think he's gonna do pretty well. So let's go check it out.
Base, right lane. Which car are you using? What's up, dude?
What's up?
He's got lane.
A guy named Twan. I'm not sure what he has. What car are you, Twan?
Left.
Alright. Go get it, homie.
Thanks, man.
Rear-wheel drive, you only one.
So they called a false start on that one because the dude was way ahead. We actually have video proof of it too, but he was way ahead of it. He wasn't going anywhere near 40. The deal is supposed to be 40 miles per hour. Even start the left lane sets the pace, but it's still supposed to be 40 miles per hour. So it wasn't the case.
And Kevin, Twan Ho is down there ready for his rerun.
They're gonna do a rerun. It's gonna have to kind of hot lap it, but the car was designed to do that, so shouldn't be a problem. We're putting ice and everything in it now, and he's gonna go run again. So let's find out.
From those lovely beer girls down there, they're looking for tips and tips only at the bottom of the concession stand. Swing by, grab you a couple ice cold beers, and don't forget to tip those lovely ladies.
Looks like something happened with Kevin's car, so I'm gonna go check it out, but he's down for roll racing. So now we just get to sit around and wait for drag racing to appear. Be a couple of hours, but we got to go do the cruise first, I'm a little nervous about because it's hot as hell outside.
I'd like to stay that way the rest of the night. Man, cross our fingers.
Oh man, that streetcar cruise was tough, and they definitely kicked it up a notch because they didn't just make us go on a highway cruise, but we went to a business and drove around like 5 miles per hour around this building for like 30 minutes. Super hot, speed bumps, the whole 9 yards. And there were some people that had to pull over and turn the car off. So luckily we made it. The car got a little hot, but it held it. Once we started moving and getting some airflow, it came back down. So it was good. It was fine. See if we have anything to offer today. So let's find out. We don't claim that we know what we're doing. It's a constant learning process for us. So what we noticed was doing the timing retard that it would actually dip twice. So we looked around and found an extra setting that we thought was actually what was killing timing again after the hit. So we actually unchecked that. Well, unchecking that caused us to not kill any timing off the hit. So that pass was literally no timing off, everything off the line.
Full send off.
Full send off the line, and
Obviously,
that's why for the tires.
Send is way too much.
Yeah, way too much, especially for this track. I mean, the track probably doesn't have the best prep right now, anyways. But that coupled with the timing issue, it was too much. So we're gonna adjust. We're adjusting. We're gonna just take a little power out, but we're gonna put the timing kill back in it and go into first round eliminations. Go from there. I think we got something going. It felt good, and I think it's running good. So we're gonna find out first round. Let's go.
Go on, you can pull up however they do, all right?
Chris, you will be in the right lane.
So just hit the GTR, pull up, you guys pull up behind them, okay?
I need my phone.
Lanes 8 and 10. It's Street Racer 950 index. Street Racer heads up.
You got a little bit, bud. Fox Body just drug water all the way down the track. Are you serious?
What lane? What lane?
He broke, dude.
What lane? Who?
I don't know. He broke.
So, sitting in the pits, we drew chip number 3, and we had this like Nova that's behind me. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's a fast car. I'm not sure if we can outrun it, but it broke. Somebody laid, I think, fuel or something down on the track right before we were about to go. So he's got time to fix it when we could have taken the bye. It sucks taking it that way, but a win's a win. That car's no joke. I could have gotten to the second round and maybe made some moves from there. But we'll see. Right now we're just sitting waiting to see if they clean the track in time before they fix that car. If not, we're gonna take the bye run. Pretty much it.
Woo!
outran the dude, but we're running out of power. We don't have a whole lot more to give it. We're gonna squeeze a little more out, see if we can get another personal best. But 8.3, 169, it's climbing up there. We're progressing. We're running out of injector, and it's just pushing a lot of fuel, so we're gonna have to make a change if we really want to go any faster. For now, for tonight, it's rolling good. We got a good chance, so we're gonna keep at it, go from there. Let's go, second round coming up.
Left leg. Left, you'll be right. You guys in the second pair to go up.
I think we're in the finals or either in the semifinals, but we're about to go find out. They're calling us up. We got lucky that last pass, but I'm gonna send it again this pass to see what happens. Let's go. Yeah, that's part of racing. You can't win them all. We tried everything. We started getting ignition breakup again, but most importantly, I think we broke an axle or something in the differential, because tried to take me for a ride, which usually those are the most solid things that I can rely on, but not today. Just the way it is. So we're gonna go eat, drown my sorrows in some pancakes or something, and then go home, put this car in Jack's hands and find out what's wrong with it and see if we can get it fixed. Go from there. Let's get to work.